make analysis on skibbity toilet or theories like today. This is my first video. I wanna be popular. Because I wanna meet Dafa Boom, and to be with a fan base that enjoys me. Like you guys. Okay, time for the theories. My theory for today is that the Astros will use technology from the scientist toilet in episode 67. Why would detainer Astro Toilet and small Astro Toilet be there? I feel like it might have something to do with the picture in episode 70. Or maybe it's for a trap, on G-Man or the Titans. Or it's to repair Astro Puppy that got killed or injured in episode 75. Or I'm yapping about theories that make no sense, but hey, I'm known to be a yapper. This will be the end. Goodbye. Like and sub if you want more. Bye. Like and sub or skibbity scientist will lick your toes.